Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today on Pine Badger Outdoors, we got a snowstorm here. It's the end of March, and Willie and we decided to put a tarp up and make a little lunch outside rather than sit inside. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We got a good snow coming down. We had this tarp here bought a while back, so we decided to give her a try today. So anyways, if you got nothing to do, stick with us for a little bit and we'll have ourselves a quick little bush lunch. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the little channel. Give us a thumbs up and leave us some comments. Thank you for your time, guys. Come here, Buck. And Willie thanks you too. Don't you, buddy? Okay, so stay tuned, guys. If you got nothing to do. Thanks. Whew. Okay, guys. So, we're going to just make us a little lunch here, I think. Some water. Really, you know what that is, don't you, buddy? That's okay. The canister is nice and warm. I use this in one of these hot packs. No, buddy, you gotta go. You gotta move, bud. Dad's gotta set up the stove, old guy. Now, we'll try to... that keeps sketching him out. He keeps hearing the snow come off of the tarp. Now, instead of using this for a windbreak today, guys, because I'm using an old insulated mat that I had hanging up here in the woods. So, for fire purposes and heat and things like that, I had it hanging up on the ridge line of the that I had going here. So, first things first, Will. You have to forgive Dad, but Dad needs to try to make a coffee. And I don't even know why I try that pezzo. That is not a good stove, guys. That is not a good stove. Wet, I don't even know the name. It was an Amazon deal. So what do I go and do? Try it again. but I'm going to leave it on super low. And see what happens. Actually, you know what, guys? My pan, shit, was dirty. So only because this snow is so fresh, I'll do this. Now, there's a reason why I don't melt snow. You might wonder why. In my videos, I usually carry my water. Sorry, I'm going to adjust the camera, guys. And I'll tell you why that is, guys. It's because snow is 90% air, I think. And ice is 90% water. But either way, it's hard to get clean stuff. And you realize this when you're trying. Why? I don't understand. Hard pressed, guys. This will be the last mission for this stove, because I'm starting to feel unsafe with this stove. I would not want that to happen inside of one of my tents, and I know that's why, you know, they shouldn't do it. This is, for no other words, a piece of shit. Well, guys, I am so sorry about this, but it literally will not shut off. I mean, this is terrible. Wow. Well, this is just what happens, guys. Sometimes, even when you're close. So, they brought some cheddar cheese. And you know, I was really hoping to fry this. Winter survival. Me and Willie style. Well, we didn't cook it. It's a good thing I like bologna. yeah, I do not recommend this stove at all. Wow, that's nasty. So, just to let you guys know, this is only my opinion, but, you know, I always try this, sorry, so sorry. I always try this gear out that I buy along the way, and to let you guys know, you know, if it's good or bad, because you guys work for a living just like me. And I saw this stove on Amazon. Pezzo. They call this remote because you can sit over here. I like that. It came with 3 adapters. So you could use the propane or this butane propane mix, or you could actually use Jesus, Willie. You could actually use sorry guys. I gotta remember which hand I feed Willie with and which hand I feed the badger with. Yeah, and you can use just straight butane. But you know what? The Pezzo doesn't work. I thought it just did that weird thing with the fuel, the flame coming up with the butane adapter. Does the same with this one. And like I said, guys, that's the name of it. In my experience, thumbs down. It's not worth anything. I will not carry it again. So, that being said, me and Willie is going to pack up our gear, and we are going to head for the Badger base camp. And I hope you guys, hand warmer, well, do you want it for your snout, buddy? Ooh, a snout warmer. Anyways, that just goes to show you guys that you just never know. But I swear to you that the stove will not, it will not be on another mission, because there's no point to it. It's a fail. So anyway, guys, until next time, you can see the weather around here still not calmed down a bit. And I think this is going to be our little video for the week. And I'm sorry, guys, I wish it would have turned out better. I wish the stove would have worked. But, you know, we still touch base with each other and chat. And everything is still a green light. It's just been a real, you know, it's that time of the year. It's kind of, it's hard to get in the woods. Ooh. But yet there's still storms brewing. And that's, you know, that's just part of what we deal with here. But anyway, guys, oh, I don't even know where the remote is. Until next time, guys, if you haven't liked, like our videos, subscribe to our little channel. And for the record, this one Tigress tarp is a pretty good tarp. So far, I really bought it for in case I hammock hang, but I like to put a tarp over a lot of my tents in the summertime. And this one has a crazy amount of tie-out points on it. And I've had it a while, but this is the first real setup. So far so good, looks good. Lots of tie-out points that I didn't use. I could have brought it down tighter to block the wind, but you know what? It works. Yes, sir. Brr. It's getting cold, isn't it? Getting cold. You had lunch here.